Good morning. Today we're going to do the installation of a WLS350 static scale on this Cub Cadet 3200EX. To begin, we're going to need some tools. We've got wrenches for the adapters that were included in the kit. We've got our electrical components. We've got a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8 inch nut driver, some wire ties, our personal protective equipment. And to do the calibration, we've got 40-pound bags of water softener salt. You can use sand or anything that you know the weight of, but it has to fill the bucket like material. In the kit, you get a hardware pack of screws, manual, a pressure transducer, a display mounting bracket, a wire harness, a machine-specific hydraulic adapter, the display head unit, and in the 350 there is a display mounting bracket.